American Medical Review is a national platform where science and art meet, where improving and preserving health and wellness take center stage, where the spotlight seeks out and shines on the healers and innovators. These editorial profiles, presented on public television, single out advancements in medical treatments, procedures, and services. Light Force Therapy was handpicked as a featured guest because of its commitment to promoting progress in the field of health and medicine.
Hello, I'm Morley Safer. We Americans tend to take our health for granted until we lose it. Today we focus on a medical advance that helps us take better care of ourselves.
Just about anyone who has experienced chronic pain can tell you about its debilitating effects. The constant or recurring aches and pains can take a heavy toll, both physically and emotionally.
Well, I was having shooting pains down my legs and around the side of my hips, and 3 nerves were involved, and I saw a neurologist who told me that perhaps surgery would help, and if it got too bad, to come back to him and he would give me morphine. And I thought, this is awful. I'm in so much pain now, and my life is just going to be this, and then I'm going to get older and still be in so much pain, and I was very depressed, very.
The side effects of many of even the most prescribed pain medications can be quite varied and sometimes unpredictable, depending on the patient's individual profile.
People that suffer from chronic pain are in a very desperate way today. Unfortunately, medicine doesn't have much to offer other than products that mask their symptoms. They mask the pain, the inflammation. The problem is people are taking these products over time because they are not curing the condition. They need to take more and more and more. This could lead to problems such as ulcers in the stomach, liver, or kidney damage.
There are very few prescription pain medications that don't pose some sort of risk. Even homeopathic treatments can often have contraindications. It's one of the primary reasons many are looking for alternate solutions.
When coping with pain management, there's many other modalities of medicine or therapies that individuals can look at to deal with pain. One of them is biofeedback. Biofeedback is an excellent therapy, but unfortunately it requires people to follow instructions on a daily basis when they're feeling the stress to stop and focus on their training in biofeedback. There's a new technology out that utilizes a new therapy called light therapy, utilizing LEDs, that can incorporate the same type of benefit without that risk of human element. The technology does it for us.
A new generation of LEDs, or light-emitting diodes, is capable of producing specific wavelengths of energy. This, combined with the appropriate frequency, produces photons that stimulate the cells of damaged tissues.
Individuals vary in their cellular composition, and it's important that a specific profile of wavelength and frequency is offered when you're dealing with an acute injury or a chronic ailment. What these wavelengths do is offers the cell an opportunity to rebalance by stimulating the photoreceptors within the cell.
I wasn't reacting very fast to the lights, and I wasn't using them consistently because of that. Then I started using them consistently, and then using it now about once every couple of weeks. I find that the pain is gone, and it hasn't even returned. I'm just amazed.
All medical devices come under scrutiny by the Food and Drug Administration. The application of infrared light therapy was no different.
Certainly there are forms of therapies that offer negative radiation that affect the cell very aggressively. This technology does not comprise any of those negative frequencies or wavelengths.
Up to now, the trend in medicine has been focusing on biochemistry, the chemical reactions within the body, and how medications can alter the different symptoms that we get from disease. Light therapy is offering us a whole new area of science, and that light therapy might be the actual precursor to all biochemical reactions within the body.
For centuries, we've known that radiant waves provide remarkable power. Today, the use of light energy in modern science is raising hope for more illuminated healthcare options.
Every day there are developments that can help improve the quality of our lives. As these breakthroughs occur, American Medical Review will bring them to you. Thanks for joining us.
Lightforce Therapy manufactures an LED device that has been researched over a number of years in clinical settings, helping to address chronic issues, and is now available in a form that is very cost-effective and available, most importantly, for in-home use for people who are suffering from chronic as well as acute problems, everything from stiff and sore muscles to the arthritis that really prohibits your ability to have the quality of life that you so desire.
The effect was, after the third treatment, I had no more pain, and that had been after 2 weeks of very acute pain where I didn't even want to move.
Lightforce Therapy and the technology itself is basically in its infancy. There is so much yet to be unveiled and discovered and reported in terms of the benefits that this will offer a number of different market segments. We are passionate about the potential for this technology. We are committed to being the innovators and the leaders within this industry. Our aim is to make Lightforce Therapy a household name within the next 3 to 5 years.
Wherever the art of medicine is loved, there also is love of humanity. Once again, American Medical Review extends a special thanks to the companies and organizations that have risen to meet today's health and wellness challenges.